Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this T-Flex CAM training course. The topic for today will be the last lesson of this big chapter that we've called 3D milling, and specifically we are going to see the spiral machining. So I have an example to create a couple of toolpaths on this geometry. And just to tell you that this type of machining is mainly used for bodies of revolution along the concentric circles. So CNC, as you know already, boundary 3D milling. Then we have this final mode, spiral 3D milling. And in here we need to choose the body. We need to choose a tool file. I will use this one. I will use tool number 3, that it is 20 mil diameter. Feed rates, you know them already. And then we have a couple of parameters. This is very basic. The step, we have the pass type clockwise or counterclockwise. The spiral angle, so we can do this tool path from 0 to 360, and this will make complete circles. And the radius of the spiral from 0 to whatever, I will say 100. And the precision. Let us calculate this first to see what it does. And something like this that we can simulate. So simply goes around and respecting the geometry we have below. So very simple. What else we can do here? We can deal with the angle, as I've told you. So if we say 180, so simply the program will be created in half of the part, like this. And in this particular case it's going across because I'm not lifting this as I should. So if I say lift, to lift, I can say 50. I'm not sure if it is enough or not, but let us try. Not enough. Okay. Okay, and I cannot see on top, inside the part, sorry. Anyway, we can do this 180, so but I want to do it 360. I want to or I can control the radius from 0 to 100, but I can say for example from 20 to 100, and it will do something different. So it will start this not in 0 but on the 20 mil radius. And we can control also, I will leave this for now, we can control the center of the spiral. This is my 0 point, but if I say, for example, the point 20, it will create something a little different, because now the initial point, it's not the exact center. So, and it's creating something a little different. Besides, we can do also, let us do this again. We can control the tool rotation, okay, through the vector, and we can control the precision. So this is point 1. If we insert a smaller value here, the program will take longer to calculate, as you can see. Just as an example, for sure it will be more accurate, but this is always a compromise from the time calculating the program and the quality we want for the toolpath. So you need to have also a good machine, and it is something like this. So basically, let us see the time it takes for the amount of points. So in terms of spiral machining and finishing now the 3D milling, these were the topics I was planning to show you. So any help either on this spiral machining or in any concept of this bigger chapter called 3D milling, ask us for help, and we will be here for support according to the needs that reach us.